So now we're going to talk about harnessing your potential and getting a little more in depth with knowing your body, knowing your workout program, and knowing your food and its effect on your goals. So there's a huge difference in fitness and in your health and in science of what's popular versus what is purposeful. And here's what you need to know. Most popular exercise programs will prescribe that you work out 4 to 5+ hours per week. Some of them require even a lot more than that. Many of those include diets that require you to dramatically cut your calories, which will make you feel like you're starving. And here's the reality. If you have a dialed in low glycemic diet and time your eating right, you should be able to get ripped and only work out 1 to 2 hours per week while still enjoying all of the foods that you really like. Just making sure to balance that glycemic index and meeting your macronutrient calculations for the day. So how is that possible? Just remember what we talked about in the beginning, that diet is 80 to 90% of weight loss and fat loss, or meeting your goals and gaining muscle too. Things like exercise, hydration, environment, temperature, weather, stress management, supplementation, recovery, and sleep length and quality make up for the other 10 to 20%. So I can't exaggerate or express how much diet is a significant piece, the dominant piece of changing and optimizing your body. Also, keep in mind that genetic makeup and body type have a great deal to do with that too, but it's nothing that you can't overcome. Just refer back to my story that I told at the beginning of this when I told you about my history of being really overweight and not being genetically inclined to be in good shape. So just know that you can do this.